how to transfer video to Samsung to your Windows PC by using cable. First of all, you have to insert your cable to your phone. I am inserting my cable. So once you insert, you can see the pop-up, and now you have to open your My PC. Then you can see the device. Now go to internal storage, and for video transfer you have to find the DCIM, this option. Go to DCIM. Now for record video, this on camera, and if I have screen recording, this is the screen recording, and screenshot, and this is the third-party apps. So I want to transfer my record video, and then you can see all of your video available here. So which one you want to transfer? For example, I want to transfer these 3 video. Just press on copy and paste where you want to transfer. For example, I want to transfer this option there. Then your file will be transferred. That's it. This is how you can easily transfer file to Android to your PC. Thank you. Have a good day.